The Canvas Commons is a resource repository built into Canvas that has entire courses, quizzes, assignments, syllabi, and more available for you to import into your Canvas courses. To access the Canvas Commons, use the bar on the left of your screen and click on the Canvas Commons symbol. When you first access the Commons, you will see resources from schools all across the country. You can use the search bar to find a specific resource or the type of content you are looking for. You can also put in key terms or tags to help narrow down information. If you click on the Filter button to the right of the search bar, you can select what kinds of materials you want to see or what grade level you want to view. You can also select if you just want to see content produced by faculty of SVSU, as well as sorting by general education or learning outcome categories. Clicking on a resource will give you a preview of the content, as well as the ability to read more information about it. To import a resource into your course, click the Import Download button and choose which course you would like to insert it into. All materials with this symbol are an open education resource, meaning that you can use these shared materials from any SVSU course in your own discipline. These resources are organized by the Center for Academic Innovation, free of copyright concerns. Faculty can also submit content to the Commons independently without it being tagged. For more information about the Canvas Commons, contact the Center for Academic Innovation.